Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix blocked Facebook Marketplace. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Firstly, open your Play Store and ensure that your Facebook application is updated. If there is an update available, click on the update sign to proceed with the update. Now navigate to your device's settings. Here look for apps and tap on it. In the Apps section, look for Facebook. Once located, tap on Storage. Clear the cache by tapping on the respective option. Additionally, be aware that clearing data will remove all files, settings, and account databases. If you're comfortable proceeding, tap on Delete. After completing these steps, go back and tap on Force Stop. This action may cause errors, but it's a necessary step. Consider it as step 1 in resolving the issue. Following this, restart your device. Once your device restarts, the fix should be effective, and you should no longer encounter issues with the Facebook app marketplace. So that's basically how you can fix blocked Facebook Marketplace. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.